As a celebration of World Heritage Day, the villagers of Siolim witnessed the inauguration of the restored Dovornem at Porta Vaddo, Siolim. Dovor in Konkani means to place on. These were believed to have been erected to help the tired vendors to rest by momentarily placing the heavy load of their heads on these platforms unaided. World Heritage Day was celebrated in Siolim by inaugurating the restored Dovornem built by the great-great-grandfather of Souza Monteiro family, Dr. Antonio Caitano Souza, in their own property. A century ago, Dr. Antonio Caitano Souza thought about the fatigued villagers and vendors passing by his house on foot. With no space to place their baskets and without the help of another to lift the basket and place it back on their head, they had to continue walking. He built a Dovorne, a structure of red bricks wide enough for the baskets and at a height that can easily shift the weight back on their head. With the advancement in technology and as time passed, this Dovorne was long forgotten. Fast forward to 2023, the same Dovorne in the family property of the Souza Monteiro at Porta Vaddo, Siolim has been restored to its former glory.
वचपाक तांणी सोपो दवरला. दिवाडे वचत जाल्यार दोन वण्टी बांदल्या ताका वयर स्लॅब घाला. देर इज अनदर टायप ऑफ दवरणे ताका आमी डॉलमॅन म्हणटा. तुमी खूब कडेन पयला आसतले. दोन फातर आसता नाल्यार तीन फातर आसता व्हडले आनी ताजेर एक एक्चुअली वयर आसतालो. नाव दोस दवरनेस एंड दीस दवरनेस टेल यू अ स्टोरी. ही दवरणी खंय आसताली? ज्या रुटाचेर लोक येताले आनी वेताले पळय त्या रुटाचेर वचले आसताले. कारण पांटलो सकयल दवरून तो परतो तकलेर घालपाक तुका दुसरो कोण तरी जाय आसलो. दीस वॉज ऑन अ बिझी रूट. वायल ती तीन फातरांची जी आसताली, डॉलमेन्स म्हणटात ताका, ती दोंगरांनी आसताली नाल्यार इन प्लेसीस वीच आर अवे फ्रॉम देर. सो लोक कितें करताले, तो वयलो फातर आहा तो दुखलून उडोवप सकयल. And they were about the same height like this, three of them. So तू आयलो, त्या दोनूय फातरांमध्ये भितर गेलो, तुजे पाटले वयर दवरलें, सायडीक सरलो. You rested for some time, then you got back in between those two stones, lifted it up, and then went. You didn't require help. So it tells you that that route was not very, it did not have settlements on the way. There was not too many people coming over there. पूण आयज हो टायम आयला की जे रस्ते दवरण्याचे कुशीक आसताले तेच आतां वायडनिंगाक लागून आमची दवरणी खावपाक लागल्या. आय एम नॉट सेइंग दॅट इट इज बॅड. डेव्हलपमेंट इज गुड. बट इफ इट इज एन अपील टू एव्हरीबडी. आमचे गांव भाव आहा हांगा, प्लस वी हॅव गॉट द सरपंच हियर, प्लस वी हॅव गॉट AG member here, and we have got Alexis over here, whose cartoons have a much better impact than the speeches that we give. Many of the places that I have gone in Goa, I have seen Dovornis, Aiznati. But I will just tell you a few things about this Dovorni. Yeah, Dovorni is very unique. Unique because it is made for people of two different heights. Normally, हे Dovorne असताले ते खानाच्या सकयल आणि बेणाच्या वयर. कारण जेन्ना तो तकलेर पांटलो आसतालो तो काडून हांगा दवरचो पडटालो आनी जो मनीस तो मातसो धाकटो आसत ताका त्रास जातालो वयर दवरपाक. सो यू हॅव गॉट समथींग डावन देर. ऑल्सो समथींग आय हॅव रियली एप्रिशिएटेड वॉट द पीपल हॅव डन टुडे. यू शिवलकार्स एंड पोर्ता वाडो पीपल हॅव डन टुडे. अमेझिंग. दॅट इज देर इज अ पॉट ऑफ कंजी केप्ट ओवर देर. आमच्या मध्ये आलिंद बाब कुएल आहा. He is a member of the Goa Heritage Action Group. They are doing fantastic job over here. But this gentleman, he always goes around with that mobile of his. And please, if you have not become his friends on the Facebook, please become. Because the amount of photographs that he has put about the mansions, about the houses of Goa, अजाप जावपाचें काम. आमच्या गोंयांत जी घरां आसा, he has brought that thing to our doorstep.
Prakash Karekar for Herald TV.